Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. So yesterday cool वगैरह scene आप लोग देखा होगा. It was like amazing moment. Now we are heading towards Waynad and अभी का scenery वगैरह देखो guys. बहुत 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 अच्छा है यार. Full of greenery. Such a beautiful road and I'm alone. Wow. Whoa, my God. See those mountains. It's going to be sunset now. And मैंने और room वगैरह already book किया है. So I'm heading towards that room. This time I booked hostel. Reviews वगैरह बहुत अच्छा था वायनाड का hostel plus. So we're heading towards there. Let's go. Yeah, so we almost reach. Wow, wow. इधर का मैनेजर मेरा एक दोस्त का फ्रेंड है. So last time I called him, so he told me that ये entire property is like 18th century में बनाया वाला ब्रिटिश हॉस्पिटल था. So उसको ये लोग कन्वर्ट करके ऐसा बनाया. So wow, such a history, right? And I think it's gonna be such a beautiful day, and so happy, guys. ये तो Ninja versus X300 है तो wow, crazy. रास्ता में कभी भी नहीं देखा है. Such a beautiful machine. Wow. So what's the time? Okay, so guys, today we're gonna settle here. It's getting cold now.
Thanks for watching. This is Max Wink. Don't forget to like and subscribe.